Welcome to Technify. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best motherboards of 2024. If you're building a new PC or upgrading your existing system, the motherboard is the foundation that connects all the components. We'll explore the standout features, compatibility, and performance that make each of these motherboards a top choice for PC builders of all levels. Whether you're looking for cutting-edge technology, future-proof features, or budget-friendly options, you'll find the perfect motherboard here. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and give us a thumbs up so you never miss an update from Technify. Let's get started.
Number 4 GB B550 Gaming XV2. The Gigabyte B550 Gaming XV2 is a mid-range ATX motherboard designed for AMD Ryzen processors, featuring the AM4 socket and B550 chipset. It supports PCIe 4.0 for enhanced graphics and storage performance, making it ideal for gamers and power users. The board includes dual M.2 slots, one with PCIe 4.0 support, and offers 4 DMM slots, supporting up to 128 GB of DDR4 RAM, with speeds up to 4,733 MHz OC. With robust power delivery, advanced thermal solutions, and support for RGB Fusion 2.0, it provides a blend of performance, aesthetics, and value. Connectivity options include USB 3.2 Gen 1, HDMI 2.1, and Realtek 8118 Gaming LAN for stable network performance. Number 3 Asus ROG Strix B760F Gaming Wi-Fi. The Asus ROG Strix B760F Gaming Wi-Fi is a top-tier ATX motherboard tailored for gamers and PC builders, featuring the Intel B760 chipset with support for the latest 13th and 12th Gen Intel Core processors. It delivers excellent power efficiency with a 16+1 power stage design and ProCool 2 connectors, ensuring stable performance under demanding conditions. The motherboard supports PCIe 5.0 for ultra-fast data transfer and DDR5 memory for enhanced gaming and multitasking speeds. Connectivity is robust, with Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5G Ethernet, and multiple USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, ensuring smooth online gaming and rapid data exchanges. The ROG Strix B760F also includes AuraSync RGB for customizable lighting, advanced cooling options, and Supreme FX audio for immersive sound, making it a perfect foundation for building a high-performance gaming setup. Number 2 Asus ROG X570 Crosshair 8 Hero. The Asus ROG X570 Crosshair 8 Hero is a premium ATX motherboard designed for AMD Ryzen processors, offering robust performance and advanced features ideal for gamers and PC enthusiasts. It supports PCIe 4.0, enhancing data transfer rates for SSDs and GPUs, and features a high-quality VRM design for efficient power delivery, ensuring stable overclocking potential. With dual M.2 slots with heat sinks, 8 SATA ports, and USB 3.2 Gen 2 support, it provides ample storage and connectivity options. The motherboard also includes ROG Supreme FX audio, 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 6 for a seamless network and audio experience. Additionally, it boasts customizable RGB lighting, excellent cooling solutions, and a user-friendly BIOS interface, making it an excellent choice for high-performance, feature-rich builds. Number 1 Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite AX. The Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite AX is a high-performance ATX motherboard designed for Intel's 13th and 12th Gen processors, supporting both DDR5 and DDR4 memory. It features a robust power delivery system with a 16+1+2-phase VRM design, offering excellent stability and overclocking potential for gaming and content creation. The board includes multiple PCIe 5.0 slots, dual M.2 slots with thermal guards, and 6 SATA ports for ample storage options. It comes with Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 gigabits Ethernet for high-speed networking, enhanced audio with ALC 1220 VB codec, and RGB Fusion 2.0 for customizable lighting. The Z790 Aorus Elite AX also provides comprehensive connectivity, including USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 Type-C ports, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts seeking a versatile and feature-rich motherboard.
And that concludes today's exploration of tech wonders here on Technify. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. You won't want to miss our daily dives into the latest and greatest in technology. Also, let us know your favorite tech marvel in the comments. So stay tuned for more top-tier tech reviews.